Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the On Vogue wig from the Wille High Power Wigs in the Hair Power collection. This is a beautiful heat resistant wig, meaning that you can style this with heat tools up to 130 degrees. So if you wanted to add some little waves or curls, whatever you want, this wig is able to do it. This is a lovely versatile wig with beautiful long layers. It falls just at the chest and it has such beautiful movement from those layers. This is a brand new style in and I can't wait to show you a wee bit more of her. So I'm just going to flip the wig inside out so we can take a closer look at the cap construction. So here at the front we have a lovely little mini lace front section, making it look like the hair is growing straight from your scalp. We've also got a little monofilament section at the crown there, so again just making it look like that hair is growing straight out your head. Around the back here we've got some open wefting, so it is a super stretchy and breathable style. You've got your little velcro adjusters so you can get the wig to fit you exactly as it needs to, and the little metal stays in the ear tabs here so that you can get it held in place. So I've just popped on a little wig cap and I'm going to pop on the On Vogue wig so that you can see how she looks. Just going to flip her over and adjust her so that those ear tabs are sitting right on my temples and that hairline is about 4 fingers away from my eyebrows. So here we go. This is the shade Dark Chocolate Mix, which is a beautiful dark brunette colour. You can see all these lovely layers that just give such beautiful movement. It would look fab with the wee curl added through, which obviously with it being those heat resistant fibres. Length-wise, you've got 29 centimetres overall and 19 centimetres of length from the fringe. So you've got a lovely bit of length hitting just at chest level. This shade here is Metallic Blonde Rooted, which is a lovely cool toned light blonde colour. You've got all these lovely ashy tones running through it, and of course you've got that darker root giving a really natural appearance. And the final shade I've got to show you today is Sandy Blonde Rooted. So this is a lovely light summery blonde colour. You've got some warmer golden tones running through it, and of course that shaded root as well. I'm now just going to do a little spin around so you can see how the On Vogue wig looks from every angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about Wille's High Power On Vogue wig. This is a lovely new wig in their Hair Power collection. It is that heat resistant fibre, so if you wanted to add some curls or waves to this wig you absolutely can, using any heat tool up to 130 degrees. This style, because of those lovely long layers, would really suit some kind of like big wavy curls, especially in this kind of summery colour. I think that would look really nice. It's got a very comfortable cap, it's super nice and lightweight and perfect for summer. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media platforms, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel, and head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.